Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with an unboxing. I debated on whether or not I was going to do this during a live stream, but decided I'm ready to move into it. So I just decided I couldn't wait. So I'm going to film it so that I can go ahead and move into it. It is hashtag MCM Mania, and I already have the matching wallet, which I've shared with you previously on my channel. So let's dive in. So, the first thing that I want to say is that I have had an amazing experience with all of the essays that I have worked with at MCM. The shipping has been timely, the customer service, they respond promptly on Instagram. When a wish list item that I've indicated that I'm interested in comes in, the essays don't hesitate to reach out. It has just overall been amazing. I also fell head over heels in love with the brand, I think, in the month of February. Um, so I actually fell in love, like really in love with the brand during the month of January because they had an MLK Day weekend sale. And there are a lot of brands that don't do anything special for MLK Day or recognize the holiday. And in 2020, I am just a firm believer that representation matters. I have been very impressed with the diversity of the staff. I've been impressed with the diversity in the models that they have represented on their website. And those are just some of the things that are just extremely important to me as a consumer. I feel that as, you know, an African American woman, that if I'm going to spend my hard earned money with a brand, then the least they can do is in their marketing or in their sales campaigns are to recognize my culture and that diversity. I know that doesn't mean anything to some people, or some people may take it for granted because their representation is always up front. But for me, that weekend, I committed that, you know what, this is a brand that I can really get behind, and therefore I made a purchase. Now, this purchase that I'm about to share you is actually one that I made in February. I'll come back at another time during a live stream and share with you what I purchased MLK weekend. But for now, let's dig into this box. The packaging with them is, the boxes are always in immaculate condition. The packaging on the inside is always top notch, and I just appreciate that. When I made this purchase, I indicated that my purchase back in January actually did not come with a dust cover. I'm not sure what happened there, but I asked the essay if they would include an extra one, and here it is right on the top. So I am going to semi-send DJ King to the Enabler Corner for this purchase. It is not the same bag that she revealed on her channel in the ruby red with the Vassetto print. But it did get me thinking about a much larger bag from MCM. I think that the one that DJ King got is actually maybe a little bit too large for me. Dare I say, too large. But this one was absolutely perfect. The shoulder drop, immaculate. And I can't wait to show you. So it is the Clara in the color Dove Gray, and it is the top zip shopper. already have the matching wallet. The shoulder drop on this one is perfect. It has the outside pocket. No need for feet on this one, although I kind of wish MCM would put feet on it. Outside pocket. It has the studs on this one for the hardware. It has the chartreuse color underneath the strap, which is going to be a great little accent and pop through the summer. So it's under the bottom side of the strap, and it is also the color of the zipper pull. It has, it is 13.8 inches long, 5.9, I believe, deep in the butt, and it is 11.4 high, so it meets all of the specifications that make me fall in love with the bag, including the fact that there is a zipper closure. I am so ready to move into this. All right. Let me get that off camera. Here is the interior, and it is a really dark brown. It's almost black, but it isn't quite black. It may look that way on camera. There are two slip pockets, and on the opposite wall is a zipper pocket. It also has the silver MCM logo plate there on the pocket. It is going to be a workhorse of a bag. I love the fact that the Dove Gray is pretty neutral. You could wear this color year round, especially with the pops of the chartreuse, which is going to give it, you know, that extra pop that if you were unsure about carrying it during the warm weather months, that one will definitely give it a spring and summer flair. So this is it. I am super excited about adding this bag to my collection. Glad that I didn't have to, you know, hunt down the matching accessory piece. I've already got the wallet, and I'm going to move in her because I'm feeling spring, and right about now, I think this bag gives me a perfect blend of spring and the last few days of winter. So there she is. Thank you so very much for watching my hashtag MCM Mania. Until next time, I do hope you find something that feeds your addiction. Take care.